Does your shower stop dripping after a minute or continue for hours? The timing matters because only one of those situations usually indicates a faulty part. A shower head can hold water after use, especially if it is large, angled downward, or designed like a rainfall head. A short period of dripping is normally just trapped water draining through the nozzles. Repositioning an adjustable head may release the remaining water faster, but no repair is necessarily required. If the dripping continues long after the shower is turned off, the shower head itself is usually not the cause. Water should never reach it once the valve has completely closed. A continuous drip means the valve's cartridge, stem washer, or internal seal is allowing water to pass. Test whether the dripping water is hot, cold, or mixed. That detail can help identify which side of a two-handle valve is leaking. For a single-handle shower, the cartridge is the most likely component. Turn off the appropriate water supply before removing the handle. Match the replacement cartridge using the valve's brand and model because similar cartridges are not interchangeable. If a new cartridge does not stop the drip, the valve seat or body may be worn and require professional repair. Don't replace the shower head to solve a valve leak. Watch the timing first. It tells you whether the water is simply draining or continuously escaping. Comment how long your shower drips after being turned off.